The Team Keto 6-week challenge has been absolutely amazing for me. I've lost so much weight. I've definitely toned my entire body. I've gained lean muscle. My skin looks amazing. My hair is growing. My energy levels are at an all-time high. And I have to say that I came out of this 6-week challenge feeling very motivated and very clear-minded on what direction I want to take my journey at this point. And I absolutely love that they made it so convenient for people that are on keto, whether you are just starting or whether you've been doing this for years and you need some new inspiration. They really have made it so easy for people to succeed, and it would be foolish not to utilize something that is basically just given to you. So that I thought was so awesome, and that helped me so much. Their recipes are absolutely amazing. I love their supplements, and I have to say that this is the best challenge that I have done thus far.